Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to do a 3D zoom effect easy Capcut tutorial. So if you want to add that onto your editing style, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we're currently onto CapCut, and for us to be able to begin, let's add in the photo or video that you want to use to do a 3D zoom effect. So I have our sample photo, so we're going to go ahead and import that one in here. So you'll just need to go ahead and drag and drop it in there, or you could simply click onto the import button to add in the file. Now, right after, we need to add 2 copies of this, and to do so, just click onto the plus icon here onto the bottom part. So it should go ahead and show here onto the timeline. Let's add two. And then the other one, let's have this one here onto the upper part. Right after, what we need to do is we're going to click onto the upper one that we have in here. Since this is the main timeline, we're going to click onto the upper one in here. And here onto the right side, you should be able to find in the video. Under video, we have cutout. Let's click onto that. And then let's do an auto cutout for this specific photo. So we'll go ahead and do an automatic cutout onto the photo that we have chosen in here. And it should go ahead and apply this one. So as you can see, the auto cutout has been complete. And if you go ahead and hide the other copy, then it should go ahead and remove its background. So let's have that one back again. And the next thing that we could do is we're going to go ahead and move this up until where we want to do the 3D zoom effect. So for example, we want to do this up here onto its last part, or onto this one, almost last part. So we're going to go ahead and click onto the keyframe in here. Let's head back here onto basic. And then under positions and size, we could see the scale. So we're going to click onto this add keyframe in here. And then we're going to go ahead and adjust this as per liking. So up until when you want to go ahead and make this one bigger. So for example, we want to add this up until 130. So it should look something like this. And let's go ahead and drag this line in here up onto the first part. And let's go ahead and have this one back on 100. So this should go ahead and create a zoom effect. So as you can see, it should show something like that. And if you do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. And that is just basically it, how you do a 3D zoom effect in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.